Good morning class. Now you all are welcome in Unix and cell programming session. Today we show some commands related to remove some duplicate lines, some duplicate records from your file. So let us see the command. The name of the command is unique. Unique is used to locate the repeated and non-repeated lines. Yes, it will use to remove your duplicates line, which is also done with the use of the sort command, but unique command filter out all the matching lines from the input and write that filter data to the output files. It display only the unique lines. See over here, I give you an example like you have this file. Unique command के साथ जो हमने file use की है, that file name is the department.lst. Now see over here, unique always require the file which are already in sorted order. यूनिक तभी रिपीटेड लाइंस को रिमूव करेगा जब आपकी फाइल शॉर्टिंग होगी तो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी ओवर हियर, दिस इज माय फाइल department.lst. सी ओवर हियर. Yes, now it contain the name of the department, number of the department. Okay, yes, so this is your department.lst file. When I want to use unique command with this, so I can write unique and the name of the file. So what will be happen? It will display the unique records. Yes, only one lines from all the records. For example, there are two accounts department are there, two records, two lines of account department. So it will display only one. Admin over here, so admin is only one, then it will display like this. Then marketing contain three records, different three lines, so it will display only once. Same way personal, production and sales. Three departments are displayed like this. So it will remove all the duplicate lines and display the lines only once with the use of this unique command. This is also possible with the short minus u option. Yes, we already last session में हम लोगों ने देखा था कि short minus u option से आप unique record, duplicate records remove कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Now next, with the options of the unique. See, I told you again, unique required sorted files. So the procedure is to sort the file first and then you can use the unique command like this. So if you want to display the records uniquely from this department.lst file, then what you have to do? You have to sort the record or sort that file first. Sort the name of the file. Then you can give this pipe sign for the redirection and give the option unique. Yes, so unique will perform perfectly. Yes, and you get the output with the unique records only. Now let us see some option with the unique. Yes, over here when you are using short minus u, then it also work like a unique, but in that we can use unique minus u. यूनिक माइनस यू ऑप्शन हमें यहाँ पे यूज करना है. कौन सा ऑप्शन यूज करना है? यूनिक माइनस यू. सो व्हाट इट विल बी डिस्प्ले? इट सिलेक्ट नॉन रिपीटेड लाइंस. कौन सी लाइंस को सिलेक्ट करेगा? नॉन रिपीटेड. एंड इट विल सिलेक्ट ओनली दैट लाइंस विच आर नॉन रिपीटेड इन योर फाइल्स. सो सी ओवर हियर, दिस इज योर ओरिजिनल फाइल. इन दैट अकाउंट्स एंड मार्केटिंग, दिस टू लाइंस आर रिपीटेड, बट एडमिन, दैट पर्सनल, productions and the cell, these four lines are not repeated. So when you are using unique minus u, it will display only this four line and the duplicates lines records will be not displayed. That means it cannot display the repeated lines with the use of unique minus u. So see over here, short department.lst file shorting करके उस पर मैंने क्या अप्लाई किया? unique minus u. So it will display only those lines which are not repeated in your file. आपकी फाइल में जो repeated lines नहीं है, उसके अलावा जो एक एक बार lines display हो रही है, जैसे कि admin, personal, production and sales, these four records will display in this use of the unique minus u option. Now same way, if I want to display only the accounts, admin, marketing, मतलब the name of the department. So what I have to do? I want to cut this field. So which command is used to cut this field? So I can use cut minus d for the delimiter. Which delimiter I can use? I can use this pipe sign over here. So cut minus d and the pipe sign. Then which field you have to shorted or cut it this second. So I can use minus F option for cutting this field, minus F2, second number field. From which file? Department.lst file. From department.lst file, I want to cut this second field. Now, after that cutting is done, then I can apply sort on this. So, redirect किया मैंने sort with. After the sort, you can use unique, minus U. So, it will display only the name of the department, admin, sales, personal and production. यही है, इसका ही आउटपुट है, पर यहाँ पे मैंने कट कर दिया सेकेंड फील्ड को और सेकेंड फील्ड को कट करके फिर शॉर्टिंग करके यूनिक माइनस यू यूज किया. सो इट विल डिस्प्ले इन द वन लाइन एडमिन, देन सेल्स, देन पर्सनल एंड द प्रोडक्शन लाइक दैट. See over here, I have not enough space, that's why I write in this single line, but it will display like this in a vertical position. Fine. Now the next option is unique minus D. What is the use of D option? It will select duplicate lines and it will select only the copy of repeated lines. See over here, when I am using minus U, then what will be happen? It will display non-repeated lines, and when I am using minus D, that means it will display only the repeated lines. Duplicate lines को ही display करेगा. See over here, accounts and marketing दो ही repeated है, बाकी सब single है. ठीक है? So what will be happen when I am writing cut minus D? Yes, delimiter is pipe F2, that means my second field from this file department.lst. तो department.lst में से ये पूरा जो records है इतने files का, इतने lines का, वो delete, मतलब के particular this lines और particular this field is fetched and cut with the use of this command. Now from that I can use short. So short redirection हो जाएगा इधर से, short हो गया. short के बाद मैंने कौन सा command apply किया? minus D. So what will be happen? It will display the repeated lines only and remove the non-repeated lines. So it will display accounts and marketing. Accounts and marketings are repeated, so that's why it will display these two lines, accounts and marketing. So are you getting this? When you are using minus U with the unique, then it will display non-repeated lines. When I am using minus D, then it will display repeated lines. Okay, getting this? Now the last option with the unique is minus C. What is the use of minus C? Minus C display the number of occurrences of a particular line. Accounts 2 times, admin 1 time, marketing 3 times, personal 1 time, production 1 time and sales 1 time. How it is possible? Because when I am using cut minus D and delimiter is a pipe sign from this file, and field 2, this is field 2 from this department.lst file. Sorting will be performed on this output and unique minus C, that means it will display the occurrence of the particular file. So what is the occurrences of accounts? These 2 times are there, so 2 is the occurrences of the account, 1 for admin, 3 for marketing, like this 3 times are marketing, 2 times account, 1 time admin, 1 time personal, 1 time production and 1 time sales. So minus C option is used to display the occurrences with the name of the particular department. Okay, all of you? Yes. So when use of the unique command, you can display the unique record as well as duplicate record, both. When you are using unique minus U, then it will display non-repeated lines. When you are using unique minus D, then it will display repeated lines, and minus C, then it will display total occurrences of a particular line. So getting, but one thing is, remember always, when you want to use unique, then you must want to use short before the unique. आपको यूनिक कमांड अप्लाई करना है कोई भी फाइल पे, तो पहले वो फाइल को शॉर्टिंग ऑर्डर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. देन एंड देन ओनली यू कैन यूज दिस यूनिक. फाइन ऑल ऑफ यू? यस? ओके.